Happy Monday, boys and girls. Okay, so we have got a warranty situation story for you today. Okay, so what we have here is this is a card that we sold to a customer back in 2025. So the customer has ASR 9000 switch routers on their network. They ordered 2 of these, worked fine for 6 months, 7 months, and then we get a phone call saying that one of them has a problem. Now, they needn't worry because they're dealing with us. They get a 2-year warranty. I mean, obviously, we're like, oh, okay, all right. Well, the warranty covers them and protects them and all of our other customers on any failures. So what was the failure? What was the reason why this card? Well, let me just give you a little bit of background, first of all, about this card. So this is an 8-port 100 gig line card with a list price of $1.3 million. Not today, that was in 2019. Made end of life 2022. Still being supported by Cisco to 2028. Yeah, so what was the problem? Okay, so this came back from our repair guys that we use for a very high. This is a very high end board, and it needs to be repaired by a specialist. And the description they came back was has faulty network processors MP1 and MP3. Which are obviously in there somewhere, and they're not replaceable. This is a common fault on the 100 gig 9K cards, which is caused by module overheating within the chassis if the airflow is not correctly aligned in the chassis. So what I mean, we can't, who knows? This could have been put in the wrong line card slot, or there was missing blank, or there was a genuine problem with that and it wasn't that at all. Anyway, so the warranty that we supply is a repair or replace warranty. If it can't be repaired, we replace it, and there we have the replacement that's come in. So there you go. So that will go out that bottom card there, and as you can see, Cisco put these onto a board base. We will remove that, and we will use our packaging for this. So that card will sit on there, and then this will go over the top, and then that will go out to the customer. So there you go. Problem solved in a way. So 2-year warranty is covered. And this card will then be disassembled, and we will recycle this. So there you go. Just a quick one for the day. Got to go. And if you need any Cisco with good warranty, you know where to come. Got to go. See you. Bye.